Hello, 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 and welcome to Friday We Feast. On this week's episode, I thought we'd do something a little different. I'm going to do a Swedish log fire, and we're going to cook up some freeze-dried Mountain House breakfast skillet. This is one of our favorites. We like to spice it up a little bit, add a little bacon, a little sriracha. So come along and we will feast. A little piece that chipped out in the middle. It's pretty seasoned wood. Should burn really quick. Okay, I've got some tissues and stuff shoved in there. I'll light them up here. A little fuel to the top there. Make sure it falls down in there. It's going. It's starting to go. It's starting to go. Let it burn a little bit before we put our food on. It's starting to go real good now. This meal requires 355 milliliters of water, so we'll add that to our cup. It is a 13 grams of protein and 350 calories per serving as well. She's a boiling. Need to open our Mountain House meal. Pull out the little packet. That's what it looks like inside. Pour our boiling water in there. We'll seal it up for a minute. And we'll stir it up. And this meal takes a total of 8 to 9 minutes to cook. We'll just save that on the back. So we'll set that off to the side and set our timer. while that cooks, these are a great option for when you go backpacking. They do not have to be refrigerated until opened. So we like to take them and just heat them up with our breakfast, and then we make burritos. So it's one of those things you want to eat all of it though if you're packing any distance, because it'll go bad. But it doesn't have to be refrigerated at first. Put a pan on there. Throw some bacon in our pan while we're waiting on our mountain house to warm up. Cooks really fast because it's not cooking. We're just heating it up. So now, all we need to do, now that it's cooked, take our bacon off, put it in our little burrito here, and it will be ready for when our food is done. Okay, our timer is done. It is time to open her up. See what she looks like. Give her a little stir. Stir her up first. Okay, now we take our burrito with our bacon we just cooked. Throw a little bit of that on there. Okay. Now we need to add a little sriracha. REI sells these single things of sriracha. So we like to take these. And they're just single serving packets. Put a little sriracha on there to your taste. Close her up. This will make quite a few, maybe 3 or 4 of these little burritos. Okay. Now we feast. Here's the taste test. Perfect. This is a really good meal. For when you're car camping or first day backpacking, this works out perfect. Make sure to check out our 100 subscribers giveaway video. The drawing's coming up next week, so make sure you comment on that video and check us out next week on another Friday We Feast. I'm not sure what we're going to make next week, possibly something with udon noodles. So thanks and have a great day.